Welcome, welcome, welcome to this short video on yet another new feature or an updated feature in Windows 11. So I've just installed this week the 22 version 22H2. It's the second half of 2022, the latest update to Windows. It's being rolled out slowly and is not yet available to all machines. I've got it on my desktop, my laptop's still waiting. And here is another quick tip on helping you work more productively using Windows. So many of us will be working with lots of applications open. So here I've got Microsoft Teams, I've got Word, and I've got Excel. And it would be really nice to arrange those on my monitor side by side. Now this is quite easy to do. You can right click, cascade them, arrange them side by side. And I'm sure many people are aware of that. But what you might not be aware of is how you can tile them using the Windows Maximise button. When you hover over the Maximise button, you get the option of choosing where this particular application will sit. So I've got 3, so I'm going to make it sit here. And then it says, what do you want to put in the middle? Well, I'm going to pop Excel over there and Teams over here. So now I've got all 3 next to each other and I can continue working quite happily. If I want to add different layouts, I can change it to quarters, and then I can even put my recording software there and so on. So you'll see it's really very versatile, and it will stay that way until I close the windows. When I close those windows or minimize them, then it will go back to normal. So that's today's quick tip, how to arrange multiple windows. While I'm at it, just one other thing I wanted to show you, because I forgot. Well, I'm only human. Here we go. Let's just have a blank document open and a blank workbook. Because what I want to show you is the other thing. When you're moving things around, I don't know if you can see, but right up at the top here, I've got a window dropping down, and that's giving me similar options. Now, I am finding that a little bit tricky to utilize, but you'll see that you drag across it and you can decide. So I can decide that I would like to have mainly Excel, and then I can decide to have Word, and then down here I can have Canva or my File Explorer. So you'll see that it's really easy to arrange. And if you've got a very large monitor, you can work with multiple windows this way. So I hope you've enjoyed that quick tip today, how to work with multiple windows in Windows 11. And to move between them, you simply Alt-Tab, just as you might have done before, and you can change the focus, but it doesn't change the way the window is arranged. So I'll see you in another tip sometime soon. I'm Shelley Fishel, the MS Office Maestro, and I'll see you soon.